Alright, so this is question 8. Calculate the dot product for each of the following pairs of vectors. So, first of all, you probably need some sort of formula for finding the dot product. Alright, so A dot B, where our vectors are AB, the dot product of AB is equal to the magnitude of A times the magnitude of B, cosine theta. And what's theta? Theta is the angle between vectors. Alright, so question 8 is really quite boring because it's all there for you. So we'll say A dot B is equal to the magnitude of A, let's call 8A, times the magnitude of B, 10, times cosine 30. Calculator. Alright, so that gives us an answer of 69.28. There's our dot product for question 8. Nothing's really different here. You can see they try to trick you in the end there, but give the other two a quick crack. Since we're talking about dot products though, we're going to continue because there's actually two formulas for finding the dot product. The second formula for finding a dot product is to say that A dot B equals A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3. We can continue into further vectors if we want. Now, what does that mean? What's A1 B1, A2 B2, A3 B3? It's going to be easier just to show you here. Let's do question 9. So, question 9 says A equals I plus 2j, B equals 2I minus 3j. So, if I'm going to do A dot B, that's going to be equal to 1, because I is 1I, times 2. So I'm multiplying the I components together, and then I'm adding the product or the multiplication of the j components. 2 times negative 3. Alright, that's going to be 2 plus negative 6. That's going to be negative 4. So the dot product, question 9, is 4. Now, nothing interesting happens in question 9, but make sure you do B and C. Check your answers in the back of the book. Make sure you're getting the right answers for those ones. Okay, quick one with question 10. Which of the pairs of vectors in question 9 are perpendicular? Now, the dot product gives you a really, really simple, straightforward way to know if things are perpendicular. Now, things are perpendicular if A dot B equals 0. If the dot product is 0, that means they're perpendicular at 90-degree angles to each other. So just keep an eye out for that. I'm not going to tell you what the answer is for question 10, but you should try it out. Now, question 11, there's nothing particularly interesting about question 11, except for the fact that they use I, J, and K components. Alright, so be careful here with the I, J, and K components, but again, you can't really go wrong here. I times I, J times J, K times 0, there's no 0 there. Add them all together and you've got an answer. Alright, so that's question 8, 9, 10, 11. That's the mechanics of dot products at least. We'll talk about question 14.